Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am rocking a new 13 by 6 pre-plucked lace frontal wig. It is 24 inches and of course it is by Wiggins Hair. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys just how I apply this. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. I did use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation for my lace just to tint the lace a little bit. I do like to go a little bit darker on the lace for the summertime to match my complexion, so that's a little tip for you. And so here's the hair. You'll notice the pre-plucked hairline. This hairline is great for beginners. I actually did not do anything to this hairline. I didn't pluck it even more, no customizing, no nothing. I wanted to show you guys, especially my beginners, just how easy it is to style quickly and pop this on and have it look as natural as possible. Now, of course, you can go back and pluck a little bit more, which I might not. I'm not 100% sure yet, because Wiggins does a really great job with their hairline and actually giving you something that's realistic and more natural as far as the hairline goes. So whenever I'm looking for a sleek look, I love applying a lot of mousse, setting lotion, whatever you want to call it, on the part like I'm doing now. And another thing is for the baby hair, I like to apply it now versus later to get the baby hair to lay down the right way. And then I just take a scarf or whatever you have and tie it down and let it dry and set. This will give you the most natural baby hair, though it'll kind of be a little bit wispy and you won't have to use as much gel or product or hairspray to lay your baby hair down. So here I'm just taking my hot comb. This is my favorite thing to do, because although the mousse does get it to lay down, it helps tremendously. Using this hot comb is like key, is a major key. And if you do not have one yet, I highly suggest you taking, I think this one was like $20 on Amazon, and buying yourself a new electric hot comb. All right, so I am going to be quiet and let you guys finish watching this video. It's pretty much all self-explanatory, just using the Got to Be Glued and a little bit of Got to Be free spray to lay my wig down, to lay the lace down, of course, and then just gonna flat iron a little bit and do my baby hair. So yeah, I will be back in just a little bit, so just hold tight, don't go anywhere, just be a little patient so that I can give you guys my pros, cons, and my final thoughts about this wig from Wiggins Hair. So stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna give you guys just a quick rundown, my thoughts of this wig really quickly. All right guys, so this wig is from Wiggins Hair. So I'm wearing their 13 by 6 body wave, lace front body wave wig. It is 24 inches, 180% density, and I do have a size large as usual. So pros and cons. I'm gonna give you guys the big pro when it comes to Wiggins. And I work with them a couple times now, a good handful of times, and they have never let me down with a wig, especially when it comes to the hairline. I did not pluck this hairline. I didn't really do much to it except for, you know, take off a little bit of the baby hair, and that's about it. They do their best. They do pretty much one of the best that I've seen when it comes to a natural hairline, which is awesome. Because if you're like me, although I do, you know, try to pluck here and there, I'm no expert when it comes to it. I'm still really learning how to really do a natural hairline, but they give you a really great base, and they also just make it so that you could just pop this wig on and go. And I appreciate that. For the amount of money that wigs are these days and all that kind of stuff, you shouldn't really have to do much to a wig if you're gonna pay X amount of dollars, in my opinion. So yeah, so that's awesome. They never let you down when it comes to that hairline. The hair is always soft, pretty. I got basic straight. Did I say body wave? This is not body wave. I'll put exactly what I have down below, and yeah, we'll just go from there. I think when it comes to this company, I maybe should order a medium, because I feel like my past, this wig and maybe one or two I've had before, I may not need a large with them because I have this extra space. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have this extra space back here, and my head is not filling it up. It's just not filling it up. It's not on the tightest notch in the back, but I don't think that's gonna help anyways. I just think I might be a medium, which is not typical for my big old head. So yeah, it's nice hair. I don't have too many flyaways. I don't have any tangling issues, no shedding issues. Mind you, I've only been wearing it for a couple hours, but still, you kind of know within a couple hours if you got some issues with a wig or not. But so far, so good. And it's the true 24 inches as well. So with this being a 13 by 6, you get 13 inches across and 6 inches going back full of lace. So this allows you free parting wherever you want to. I just chose to do a middle part because I wanted like a deep middle part look. But yeah, love wigs that have like a 13 by 4 and 13 by 6 are pretty much my favorite because you can do so much with them. They allow for so much versatility as far as how you want to part it and how you want to style your hair. So yeah, you guys, other than that, not too much to say about this wig. It's lightweight, it feels good, it's comfortable on my head, even though I don't know about the sizing right now. But yeah, that's about it. I will put all the information about this wig that I'm wearing in the description box so that you'll have it, along with any coupon codes or anything like that I may have. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Marii and hit that subscribe button. You know, down in the description box if you have any questions or comments. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. This is a long ending. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.